Butter pastries. Ingredients: 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon granulated sugar, 1 cup, 2 sticks, very cold unsalted butter, 1/4 to 1/2 cup very cold water. Directions: cut the butter into small pieces, then place into the freezer along with the food processor bowl and blade for about 10 minutes. Once the food processor bowl and blade are chilled, add the flour, sugar, and salt, pulse a few times to combine. Add the chilled pieces of butter, and pulse for 1 second about 8 times until it looks crumbly and the butter is the size of peas, and the mixture crumbly. Use a tablespoon measure to add 3 tablespoons of cold water to the dough, pulse for 1 second, repeat this process until the dough begins to come away from the sides of the bowl, and comes together. Place the dough on a floured work surface, and use your hands to bring it together into a ball, do not knead. Work the dough just enough to form a ball. Cut ball in half, then form each half into discs. Wrap each disc with plastic wrap, and refrigerate at least 1 hour, and up to 2 days. You can also freeze it for up to 3 months, just thaw it overnight in the fridge before using.